How to change the language on an LG phone. Changing the language on your LG phone is easy. Here's how. To locate the language settings on the phone, go to Settings, then tap on System. Tap on Language and Keyboard at the top. Tap on Language at the top. Tap on Add Language, and tap on the desired language from the list. If applicable, pick the variant of the chosen language. To change the order of the languages, press and hold on the 3-line button to the right of a language, and then drag it to the desired priority. To delete a language, tap on the trash can at the top right. Tap on the language to be deleted, which will place a check mark next to it. Then tap Remove at the bottom. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.